Hey all, so this is your break of the playoff contenders, June 16th, numbered, come on, 632. I'm gonna get started here. I wish everybody good luck, and thanks again all for bidding. And I do have a case break if anybody's interested for the SP. And what I'd like people to do is, if they're interested, to go ahead and buy, but don't pay for it until I get about 20 people. Then I'm going to start collecting. I just want to make sure it goes instead of having to do a bunch of refunds and everything. So if you are interested, please go ahead and purchase, but don't worry about the payment until I message you. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 2, 3, 24. Okay, here we go. I'd like to thank everybody for their fast payments too. It was quick. So I'm trying to do this a bit better. Oops. Sorry guys. Friggin' glare. I gotta find a better spot to do this in the next one. Keep having to switch. So we have Toronto, Boston. Our first hit is for the Colorado Avalanche, Kevin Shattenkirk, rookie auto. Florida and Dallas. We have San Jose, Senators. We have lottery winner Jonathan Toews for the Chicago Blackhawks. Rangers, San Jose base. We have Carey Price, Oilers, St. Louis, Ottawa, Nashville all base. I have San Jose, Philadelphia. Playoff ticket is for San Jose, Mike Moore rookie, not autoed, but it is numbered 116 out of 100. Colorado and Buffalo base. New Jersey, Edmonton. Perennial contenders, Claude Giroux for the Philadelphia Flyers. Vancouver and St. Louis. Columbus, Calgary, Anaheim, Philadelphia, and Islanders all base. Fat pack? I don't know. Yeah, it's a fat pack. I don't know, it didn't seem too fat, so maybe there's something in there. Buffalo, Atlanta, against the glass for Anaheim Ducks, Ryan Getzlaf. Florida, and Columbus. Toronto, Boston. For the Phoenix Coyotes, Oliver Ekman-Larsson, rookie auto. Chicago and Boston. There's a fat pack. Tampa Bay, Pittsburgh. For the Chicago Blackhawks, Rookie of the Year contenders, Jake Dowell. Glare there off that one. Minnesota and Rangers base. Tampa Bay, Minnesota. Season ticket rookie for the Minnesota Wild, Matt Casson. Montreal and Edmonton base. Capitals, Toronto. For the Anaheim Ducks, leather larceny, Jonas Hiller. St. Louis and Pittsburgh base. Anaheim, Toronto. For the Pittsburgh Penguins, legendary contenders, Brian Trottier. Atlanta, Tampa. Pittsburgh, Vancouver. Awards contender for the Detroit Red Wings, Jimmy Howard. And this is numbered 88 out of 100. There we go. San Jose, Ottawa base. Fat pack. St. Louis, Philly, New Jersey, Nashville, Philly all base. Vancouver, St. Louis for the Colorado Avalanche. Classic ticket, Joe Sakic. Calgary and Washington. LA, Dallas. For the Washington Capitals, Art Ross Trophy Awards contender, Alexander Semin. Islanders, LA. Carolina, Boston. For the New Jersey Devils, Matt Tormina, rookie auto. Detroit and Columbus. Fat pack. Pittsburgh, Rangers, LA, Tampa, and Pittsburgh, all base. Florida, Washington. For the Colorado Avalanche, Mark Alver, rookie auto. Detroit and New Jersey, last regular pack. Detroit, Carolina. For the Chicago Blackhawks, Great Outdoors Winter Classic, Jonathan Toews. Rangers and Montreal. Okay, so here we go. Get flat packs. If any luck, get a patch in here. Vancouver, Tampa. Draft tandems for Pittsburgh and Carolina Hurricanes. Marc-Andre Fleury and Eric Stahl, so I'll have to check and see who owns them. If it's the same person, there'll be no random. If not, then I'll do a random.org. I run them 5 times, and the top person who has it in the top gets the card. Buffalo and Washington. That'll be posted right after this video once I find out who owns the teams. Chicago, Anaheim, Detroit, that again, LA, and Toronto. Vancouver, St. Louis, Great Outdoors Heritage Classic for Edmonton Oilers, Ryan Smith. Dud, Vancouver, San Jose. Last one. Detroit, Chicago, Calgary, Dud, Dallas, and Carolina. Okay, so that's it, guys. We got a few cards here. I'll get these, as I said, the postal service is on strike, but they're going to be forced back to work on Monday, so there shouldn't be too much of a delay. And I'll get this random.org up for you right away. Thanks.